Hey there, what's up? In this video, I'll give you a quick explanation on how you can convert a Wise business account to a personal account. This is useful if you no longer need a business account and want a personal account for simpler management. So the first thing that you will have to do is, of course, log into your Wise business account. Of course, make sure to enter your email address, your password, and then log in. And once you've logged in, you will just have to basically tap your profile. So it should be somewhere right here. But then again, it really depends on the layout of your screen or your version. So anyway, once you see your profile, just click it and then click settings, and then you will select account type. And then after that, you will look for the convert to personal account option, and then you will just have to click start. And then you will provide your personal information such as your name, your date of birth, and your personal address and upload ID for verification. And then after all that, you will just have to confirm and submit. And of course, you do have to review the details first and then click submit and wait for the verification. And Wise will notify you once conversion is complete. And yeah, that's how you can change your Wise Business account to personal. And I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an awesome day.